Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the introduction part 1 of introduction part of exercise 8.2. This exercise will be having two parts of introduction. This is the first part. So let us start. In this part we will see finding the increase or decrease percentage. Students, many a time you go to some mall or some in market, you come across with these two sentences. Many times you see they have written 25% off on marked price or the cost price or the list price, you can say 25% off. And sometimes in newspaper you may have seen this type of sentence, that 10% hike in the price of the petrol, that is increase, 10% increase in the price of the petrol. So this leads to increase in percentage or decrease in percentage, and we are going to see how we can find the increase in percentage or decrease in percentage. So let us take one example and try to explain you. Let me take one example and try to explain you how to find the increase in percentage or decrease in percentage. So first example says like this: the price of an article, one article is there, its price was 34,000. If its price is increased by 10%, now its price is increased by 10%, then find the new price of the article. We want to find the new price. Here it is increased in percentage. So how to find? We will write old price. Old price was 34,000. I have written. Now increase in percentage is 10%. So what will be the increase? 10% of what? 34,000. 10% increase of what? 34,000. So 10% of 34,000 can be written as 10 divided by 100 into 34,000. 0 will cancel out, and this 0 and last 0 will be cancel out. So the amount is 3,400. So increase in amount is 3,400. So the new price will be old price plus the increase amount. So it will be eventually 37,400. Hope you have understood how we can calculate increase percentage. If increase percentage is given, so amount we can find out like this only. Similarly, decrease amount, if they have given decrease percentage, how we can find? Let us see. The price of a fan was rupees 1200. The price of the fan was 1200 before. If the price of the fan is decreased by 15%, now it is decreased by 15%. So find the new price. Now we are supposed to find the new price. So what we will do? We will write old price, decreased in price, 15% of old price. So 15% I can write as 15 divided by 100 into old price. Old price was 1200. So 00 and 00 of 100 will be cancelled out. 15 into 12 will give me 180 rupees. Therefore, the new price will be old price. This time it will be minus the decreased price because it is decreasing. So I will subtract it. So the new price of the fan will be 1200 minus 180. It will give me 1020 rupees. Let us move forward. Then comes, if the question is there, find discount percentage, find marked price, that is MP, or find selling price. So what you will do? For that, different formulas are there. Let me explain you one by one. First of all, what is discount? Students, reduction given on marked price is called discount. Suppose I went to buy some article and it is priced at 500 rupees. The marked price, the price on that product is 500 rupees. And they have reduced some amount. Let's say they have given 50% off. 50% not 50%, but 50 rupees off from that price. So 50 is my discount. That is, MP was 500, marked price was 500, minus they sell me on which price? They sell me on 450 price. So the difference is 50. So 50 is my discount. So whenever we are supposed to find discount, this is the formula. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. Similarly, formula to find out discount percentage. If they tell you that the discount is 50 rupees, find the discount percentage. So what you will do? You will take this formula and put the value given. So here it is discount. What is discount? 50 divided by what was marked price? 500 into 100. You will get discount percentage. So I am keeping here 50 divided by 500 into 100. 0 will cancel out. 5 tens are 50. So it will be 10% discount they have given me. Discount percentage was 10%. Similarly, if we want to find sale price, we have been given discount percentage, we know the value of discount percentage, and we know the marked price, and they ask you find out sale price. So what you will do? You will put this formula, you will put the value of MP, that is marked price, you will put the discount percentage, 100 minus whatever the percentage, and then you will get the sale price. We want to find the sale price of this article. Let us put, what was the marked price? 500. 100 minus 10% was the discount percentage. Divide by 100. 0 will cancel out. 0 will cancel out. So we will left with 5 into 90. So what was the selling price? 9 5s are 45. 450. So was it 450 sell price? Yes. So this is how we can find selling price. Now let us say marked price we don't know. We know selling price, we know discount percentage. So how to find marked price? So let us calculate. What was sell price? 450 multiply by 100 divide by 100 minus discount percentage. What was the discount percentage? 10. So let me put 10. Going further, you will get 450 into 100 divided by 90. 0 will cancel out. 9 1s are 9 5s are, that is 50, and 50 into 10 will give me 500. So this is our marked price of the above example. The example which I have taken, it was also having the marked price as 500. Hope you have gone through this lecture properly, and please note down these formulae 1 2 3 4 and 5 4 formulas, so that you can solve the exercise properly. Also there are some other formulae which I will be discussing in the introduction part 2. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.